Okay, first of all, great Islam to all of you. I'm student Precious and divine name of Allah is my name, not for entire universe, and very thankful to my parents, all number one master association I can to teach me a lot in my life. So today my topic is wow, what's the movement? Like, what's the meaning of that topic? That simply I will talk about the wow, what's the movement? If there is a movement of the like we see about in Bangladesh, what's going on in Bangladesh? Like there are students. In the Bangladesh, a lot of quota systems are going on in Bangladesh. So the students are going to learn. Their students are going on their rights. Their students are thinking that yeah, we want to go on their right. Why? Because their students are thinking that if they are going the if the army chief are going because they are doing the like if somebody want to do hard work on their life, if so he doesn't get his results towards and how it's happening. That's why they stand for their rights. That's why they think that yeah, we can stand for our rights and finish that quota system. That is not began on in Pakistan. Like what's going on in Pakistan? If we know about Imran Khan is the prisoner. That if we are standing for the Imran Khan, if the students are standing for the Imran Khan, what the movements are going on and like we are doing movement for the Imran Khan. So till now Imran Khan is not in the prisoner. If we are going on the rights, if we are worried for our nation and what our nation is going, if we are know of that, then yeah, we can do something. So that's why we can become not like that. That yeah, we think that yeah, and that like we want to do. If we gonna come out from our home, if we come out from our like houses, so then we think about it. Yeah, we are doing something right. We are doing something for our country. That yeah, our country can be become something. Thank you.
So as you said about Bangladesh, you start from Bangladesh and you said their movement and wow, what's their movement? So I will start from them. If I talk about their students, they did well. Their action was too good. So if I talk about their prime minister Sheikh Hasina, she was from 15 years she was prime minister. If you see from last 15 years the progress of Bangladesh, you cannot expect their progress. So she did too much thing for the Bangladesh, and here you are standing, you are saying she did not do good for Bangladesh and about the quota system and something like that. And if I talk about the army involved in their army involved totally in their corruption, and army forced to her to go against the nation. And just if I talk about the Sheikh Hasina said these are not a student, these are a terrorists, and just the student take this word serious and they come out and they come all out from home and they did this thing. And second thing, if I talk about Pakistan people, so I will stand and I will raise my voice and I promise to myself and I will raise my voice. So if I talk about in last 3 years 16 lakh people, those are students, those are educated, they run from the country. Why the government is not stopping to them? The main reason is this: government don't want the educated people should in Pakistan. Government want the educated people should run from the country, and uneducated people we just get benefit from them and they just survive like animals. Same like you did not mention about those people. Those are hopeless. If I talk about my leader, he's in prison and I'm stand for him and I'm raising my voice because if I talk about the life is hard, life is too hard. If I talk about you run from the country, what is the benefit? You must be raise your voice. You must be do something for your country. No matter they kill you, because in that world you will be you will be martyred. But the thing is, they are not raising their voice. They are afraid. So the main thing is like that. You must raise your voice and you must do struggles in the life. They think no, we are facing too much tough time in this thing. They run the country. They run from the country. You must be stand no matter how much problem is coming, how much challenges is coming. If I talk about, I want to share one sentence. Okay. Yeah, how much late you will raise your voice again brutality, as much you will face, but now still they are silent. When they will raise their voice, so how much they will face troubles, that's all.
As much guys telling about that, like if I will have to stand for the my leader, that I will have to stand for my leader and like I can raise my voice. Just not raising the voice, you can buy on the like in the from the nation. Yeah, you should take out. It's more harder to bark like a dog in the from the nation. You should do right. If you can do by your mind, if you can do something for by your mind, then you can think. And second thing, you talk about the like you talk about the education people like education student who are doing the educated, who have the educated. So till now Pakistan is not going ahead. Till now Imran Khan is not going ahead. Take out from the personal. No, they are just bargaining like if somebody using their mind, somebody till now they want to do something for their by their will, by their like will and by their hard working. So till now Pakistan is not like why in Pakistan that people are doing like people are not have the as much mind that yeah they could not think because the people who are there in Pakistan they could not think that yeah we can do we can make we can do something if like other people who are there having the knowledge who have something in their life so they could not do something because if person have a will if person have know everything if person have a knowledge they can do something right? Thank you.
So here if I talk about Nelson Mandela said once, education is a power. Education is that great weapons which can change the world. And if this education which if we use it for the country, so our country will be changed. So by running it, nothing will be changed. And the second thing you said about the people, those who are raising their voice, they are barking. If I talk about those people, those who are raising their voice, they are unique. They are different from you. That's why you cannot understand to these unique and different kind of people because you are in front of them. They are even better than you. They are raising their voice, and here you are hopeless, and you are thinking, no, we cannot do. And this kind of words you are saying, no, they are saying. And if I talk about in Sabe, the boys come out, and there are too many boys come out, and they are raising their voice. And now you will say they are just barking. No, in Bangladesh, from one boy start that revolution, and all people support to him. If one is enough for the nation, that's all.
As much guys saying about that, like one person is enough to from the nation that yeah, like if somebody have a will, so they can do something. Like if somebody is barking, so they can do. If the person till now, if somebody is barking, you tell about that. In Pakistan, a lot of people are stand for their rights. Till now in Pakistan, nobody could support him because the Pakistan nation is not thinking that if we are listening to the truth, if we are listening to that, if we are going into the right, till now we can make our Pakistan develop. If till now Pakistan nation is right to their right, if somebody nations are right to their what they if they are doing with something with their heart, they think. Till now everybody said that I can do that thing, I can do that. When time will come, nobody did. Nobody will tell what yeah, I can do something. They all are afraid because they think that if nobody comes, why we are coming. That's the main problem of our nation. That they started somewhere. If one true person will be stand, so other person will be demotivated. Other person will be they say to him that why you are doing that thing. Till now, if one person till now all nation are speaking, all nation are become a united, so Pakistan will be developed. Thank you.